Imagine a tree that grows for centuries, reaching for the sky while helping our planet breathe. That's Redwood, the legendary giant of the forest. But redwood isn't just beautiful. It's strong, durable, and naturally resistant to insects and decay, making it a perfect choice for decks, fences, and outdoor projects. Unlike many other woods, redwood hardly shrinks or swells when exposed to water, ensuring your projects last for decades. At NorCal Timber, sustainability is our promise. For every tree we harvest, we plant 7 more, keeping forests thriving for generations. And did you know? Redwood absorbs and stores carbon, helping reduce greenhouse gases. Even after it's harvested, the carbon stays locked inside, making redwood a truly climate-friendly choice. From decking to fencing, NorCal Timber offers high-quality, responsibly sourced wood for all your building needs. Plus, we proudly support initiatives that give back, helping skilled workers, veterans, and communities affected by natural disasters. With natural beauty, durability, and a commitment to sustainability, NorCal Timber is more than just wood. It's a choice for a better future. NorCal Timber, naturally strong, sustainably grown.